Hello people, it's me with little Salem. One of us is cute. I'll give you a hint, it's not me. And then he's getting to be a big little feller. Oh, he sees himself. He's like, is that me? Is that me? I am so handsome. Well, I would pick the little girl up, but she's distracted by the big cat. She said, hey, what's she doing, big cat? And the big cat's like, I bet you. You want to see what they're doing? I think they're, nope, run away. Nope. It was moochy and it's like, okay. Here, you sit here. Come here. Come here, little miss. Little miss, little mister. Just so, didn't think I was showing the same kitten twice. We wouldn't do that, would we? Right away, kittens. Watch Patrick leave. Patrick's got a Sam's Club hot dog. He has made a rookie mistake. He has left his dog unattended. And the kittens are running around. And the big cats sometimes have a little more self-control. It's still a rookie mistake. Mouse is like, where's that? It's a hot dog. Let's see. Kroger's. That's what I found today at Kroger. Squishmallows. Baby Squishmallows. There's this one. It's a purple owl with a witch's hat. Sitting in a half a jack-o'-lantern. With the jack-o'-lantern is orange and the hat is black with an orange rim. With a yellow buckle. Isn't that cute? And this one's name is Holly. Sounds more Christmassy than Halloween, but I didn't name it. Then we got this little kitten here. It's a black kitten. I started there. I think I have one from a couple years ago. Oh yeah, we got a previous version of this kitten here. See, this one was a previous version, and this one's this year's. Same purple tummy, same open eye expression, except this one has some kind of crazy sewed-on hat. It looks like Mickey Mouse ears, except half is orange and half is like a not the same shade purple, like a I don't know, ice purple. See, I got two of the cats now, and this one belongs to my kids, so I set them over here for decor pieces. So Kroger had a big sale on candy bars, juicy candy bars.
We got a lot of candy.
Remember back in the day, Mellow Cup? This is a king size Mellow Cup. It's a good until next year, June 21st, 2022. It's kosher. It was only 25 cents. So I might got a couple. A couple more. and a couple more. And they had these big old candy bars here. They had a Hershey. This is not professional. Hershey milk chocolate with almonds. Now this was 49 cents. I got a couple of them. And they had a Hershey cookie and cream. They was also 49 cents. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. We also got some Hershey Kisses, Vampire Kisses. milk chocolate filled with strawberry flavored cream. I mean, they alright, but mostly get them because they're Halloween, right? Oh, grocery shopping, we ended up with a bunch of candy. No, I'm just joking. I went to the Kroger because they had pop on sale. They had 12 packs of pop, 4 for $12. That's $3 for 12 pack. Got to stock up, save money. Oh, went to PetSmart. Now here's the thing, I went to PetSmart first. The Sam's Club, South Post Office, then went to Curtis. Now when I was at the Kroger, they didn't have my cat's favorite, the ocean whitefish and tuna pate. That's their favorite. So we got like, I don't know. There's a total, we got some Sea Captain's Choice. There's a total of 24 of these. Some of them are Sea Captain's Choice too. You save a penny. So it made it 60-cent a can. If you buy like over 24, you save a penny per can. Whatever. A penny's a penny, man. Yeah. Got some cat flea maize. Ow. This is for the big, ow, the big ones. Because I'm pretty sure I seen a flea hop off one of them little ones earlier. Not today, earlier in the week. That's all it needs to get the fleas going. Large cat. Large cat is over 9 pounds, so that'd be us. Mouse weighs 12 and Miranda weighs 13, according to the vet. And then we got baby kittens. Now, I would have bought Advantage too for the baby kittens that start at 2 pounds. And they don't weigh 2 pounds. Frontline Plus for cats starts at 1.5 pounds. So we got that. And I got a pack of 3. We got a pair and a spare. So, yep. And we don't want to see what I got. They sound food. Sam's Club got mostly foods and cupcakes and other things. Other things that go wrong. Oh, I got a bag of potato chips and I busted them out in the car. I was trying to put a box on top of the potato chips in the bag. Got to sample them out in the car, you know how that is. Oh, well. I don't really have anything going on. Let's wrap it up. Make it quick today. This is Karen. I don't even know what I'm saying. It's so hot. It's so hot. This is Callie with Callie's Room with Reborn's Cats and Nonsense. And today we got some flea meds. I gotta weigh them kittens. I don't think they weighed enough yet. I want to do them all at one time. Enjoy the scratching. I was giving the kittens a 3rd flea bath because I was petting one, the flea just crawled down and then it was like hot. And I was like, oh no. Anyway, it's like give a little bath, had a little toothbrush going, and I was a little baby shampoo on his little head. And then I noticed her eyes dilated and then her mouth open, and she jerked her head back and forth and her butt was twitching. And then I knew what was going to happen next. She leans forward and nails my thumb. Bit me hard too. I went, you know when it's coming and their eyes start dilating, their pupils dilate. It kind of went down a little bit. And they open their mouth and they get that tense and they're doing this, trying to gauge where would be a perfect bite. Yeah. They got me a little bit. Scratches.
Sam's Club hot dogs are really good.
I'll make it sound like it. They're vicious killer cats. They're not kittens. It makes it sound like I'm weakly. Vicious saber-toothed tigers, and I was like fighting tooth and nail, and they were like,
Oh no.
no, more like. And I was like, catch you cool cats and kittens back here another day.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.